Okay, so today we're just going to have a closer look at the Marolex RX Alka sprayer. It's battery operated with a lithium ion battery which reduces the weight. It's also got a microprocessor in there which tells the battery when to use more power and when to back off on the power, so it's really efficient. But if you just have a look, the battery just slots in nicely there, and it's easily taken in and out and easily charged up. It's a really quick charging battery as well, so it saves you a lot of time. There's not too much downtime. There's a little button there to test it, to see. As you can see, we're on full lights there, and you can simply turn it on, and then it will pressurize the unit. And the great thing about it is obviously you don't have to pump to get the pressure in the unit, so the battery will keep kicking in every time the pressure goes down, and you can just keep spraying dead easy. And it's got these waterproof straps which make it really comfortable, and as you can see, you've got some nice padding there for your back. It's also very sturdy. It's got a nice handle there, easy to carry around. And you can see the lance just clips in on the side there, which is nice and useful, just keeps it up off the floor. So it's actually, the lance is telescopic as well, so you can just simply pull it out and that'll help you get into really difficult places if you just need a little bit of extra length there. So the hose is made of a 3-layer construction, and it's resistant to cracking, stretching, and bending, so it's really a real high quality hose. Never have any problems with these. Yeah, that's great. It's got a little dosing handle there which can be locked into place. If you're doing long periods of spraying or disinfecting, you can lock that in. It'll just reduce the pressure off the user's hand. So yeah, that is the RX Alka by Marolex. And what we'll do now, we'll just take it outside and see how it feels to use. Okay, so the battery's activated. It's so easy to use. If you were in a food factory environment or something like that, you could spray for ages using this. The battery kicks in every time the pressure goes down. And as you can see, you get a nice even coverage with the nozzle. The nozzle can be adjusted to get a jet stream. And yeah, dead easy to use, really comfortable with the straps on. Yeah, absolutely fantastic. Brilliant. The straps are waterproof as well. And you've got one round your stomach and one round your shoulders, which just makes it really secure and comfortable.